Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate it so much, and I hope you guys like this video because it's gonna be a good one. This video is gonna be all about the products that I purchased from the Zodiac collection from Colourpop. I did not purchase all of the collection. I purchased, I think, everything except for the two highlighters because they are not for my complexion. I'm too light for them. I know I'm gonna be too light for them. So I got everything else in this collection. I'm so excited. So if you guys want to know the details on these products, see some swatches, see them applied to the eyes, everything like that, then just go ahead and keep watching. I'm gonna show you everything we got, get into some swatches, and then I'm gonna start trying these out on my face. So first things first is the Zodiac shadow palette, and this is what the outside of the box looks like, and this is the back of it. It's very beautiful, and this is what the inside looks like. If this looks like it's been used, it's because it has. I filmed a video last night with this look, not because of the palette's fault, but because of my fault. I ruined it. So we're trying again today. So I'm gonna show you everything in the collection before I show you some swatches and apply them. So that was the eyeshadow palette. We've got two Supernova shadows, and they come in this beautiful Supernova packaging, and the two colors are right here. There is the one called Astrology, which is like this beautiful green, and then we've also got the one called Constellation. It's like this beautiful rose gold. Beautiful. Love. The last two products that I purchased from this collection are the Luxe lipsticks with the collection, and these are beautiful. They have the exact same Colourpop lipstick packaging, and these are the colors. We've got, I think it's What's Your Sign, and Scorpio Moon. Just like this beautiful purple color. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some swatches, and then we'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so I've got my eyes primed and everything like that. So we are gonna dip into the palette first, and like I said, I have used these shadows already because I tried to do a look on it last night, and because of my own mistake, I messed up the entire look. So we're trying to get tonight so you guys can see how they perform on the eyes. Spoiler alert, but these are phenomenal. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply some of these to the lid. I'm gonna start with the shade The Libra, which is like this beautiful pinky satin shade, which is, okay, first of all, I need this mirror closer to me. Satin, cool toned brown pinkish shade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love this shade. And because it is a satin, it's not a flat matte, it actually is a much easier to blend than mattes, I feel like. So that's really nice. I love this color. I can see myself using this pretty much every single day to just use all over my lid. So the next shade I'm gonna go into is, the Sagittarius, which is this beautiful purple on the bottom. And I'm going to also apply this in the crease. I'm just gonna apply it a little bit lower. I'm gonna apply that a little bit lower than that first shade, dipping into the Sagittarius, really blending it off, and just putting that into the crease. This is a beautiful purple shade. It's got a lot more warmth in it than a lot of other purples, so I think that makes it a really unique color. So now I'm just gonna dip back into that Libra shade again with that first brush and just blend that all out, make sure all the edges are seamless. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the shade called the Scorpio, and I'm gonna be taking that on the inner and outer portion of my eyes. Okay, so I'm getting a tad bit of fallout with this shade, but it's nothing too major. So now that I've got that placed, I'm just gonna, with no extra product, I'm gonna take that brush we used for the purple in the crease, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges, mostly on this side, because I can't do this side anywhere near as good as my other side, not sure why. Okay, so now that I've gotten that applied, if you can't tell where this is going already, I'm going to cut my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just in that center portion. Now that that is placed on there super terribly, I'm going to go in with that same brush I used for the concealer, and I'm gonna dip that into the shade, the Pisces, and I'm gonna dip into that, and then I think I'm also gonna spray it just to avoid fallout. You'll see in the swatches how this does without water. So without water, I mean without setting spray. I actually decided to just go in with my finger just because I know that I'm gonna get the most pigment that way. Okay, so now that that's placed on there, I'm gonna go back into the Scorpio shade, which is on the inner and outer corner, and I'm gonna start kind of blending the two together. Okay, so now I'm gonna dip into the Capricorn, which is like this black shade, but it also has some green glitter flecks in it, but hopefully those don't show up too much. I'm having to wipe off some fallout. So I'm gonna dip into that shade and put this on my outer corner just to define it a little bit further. Okay, Okay, so I added the black to the outer corner, and I think what I want to do is with that same brush that I applied the Scorpio shade, I want to just take a little bit of the Cancer and add this to the inner corners of the eye. Just a little bit to kind of lighten the purple a little bit. We went from having a halo eye to having 3 different colors on our eyes. That's fine. On our lids, I mean. It's totally fine. Totally fine. I'm gonna add a little bit of Libra and just blend everything out. Okay, so now we're on to the lower lash line. I'm first going to just add that Libra color down as a base. Get that down on the lower lash line. What do I wanna do, people? What do I wanna do? I think I wanna add, I'm nervous, so I'm gonna add some powder underneath my eyes, just in case. I'm gonna just put a little bit of excess powder down underneath my lower lash line just in case, but I think I wanna take the Pisces shade and I wanna really blend that out on the lower lash line. I'm nervous. I'm gonna dip into it. I'm gonna really get into it and I'm gonna spray it and we're just gonna do it. Got to put down that powder, so I've applied that. I'm going to now take that same shade I applied the Libra shade with, and I'm gonna dip into the Sagittarius, which is that crease color that we use, and I'm just gonna blend out that blue. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but that's what we've got. I'm going to apply a inner rim liner. Should I do blue? Should I do brown? Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna take, this is new, I haven't even tried it yet. This is the Jordana Easy Liner Retractable Pencil, and it's like this royal blue, I believe. Yeah, it's like this pretty royal blue. I'm gonna stick that in the waterline. No matter how many times you put something in the waterline, it's always gonna make your eyes water. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some mascara, some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're actually gonna wait on lashes because they have to dry. The glue has to dry, and this new glue that I have takes forever to dry. So I've just applied some mascara at the moment. We are going to move into putting on some highlighter. This is actually not from the collection. This is the Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek. The other ones were too dark for my complexion, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to my cheeks because it's from Colourpop, but it also is beautiful and I love it. So I'm just gonna apply some of this to my cheeks, and then I'm also gonna apply this to my inner corners of my eyes. So I've got that applied. I'm gonna take a little brush. Okay, so I've applied that to my inner corners. I'm gonna apply just a tad on my brow bone, although this works much better with your fingers. Okay, so now I think we can apply these lashes. Okay, the lashes are finally on. Now we can move on to the last products that I got from this collection, and that is the Luxe lipsticks. So I already know with this look that I'm probably going to want to wear the nude one for the end of this look, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply Scorpio Moon first, just to see what that looks like. It might actually go well with this look, who knows? So this isn't the best lip application, but this is the color Scorpio Moon. It is like this beautiful purpley, but almost has a little bit of warmth into it. I love it. I think it's so beautiful, but it is a beautiful color, and I think it's going to be one that looks so good, not particularly with this eye, just because my eye look is so dramatic. I think that we need something a little bit softer on the lips, but nonetheless, this is a beautiful color. So let's go ahead and move on to the next shade. Okay, so who else finds that dang lip pimple? That sounds so gross. That little lip pimple on my lip. So aggravating. That's all I've seen this entire video. And I can just tell even more so in the lip application, so great. That removed some of it, so we're just gonna go with it. These are, geez Louise. Let's go ahead and try on What's Your Sign. Yeah, this is definitely the preferred color that I like with this look, just because it is more of a muted nude, and I love this color. I think it's so beautiful. It's more of a like mid-toned nude. It's very beautiful, and I knew that this would be a good nude shade for me because Kathleenlights is a little bit more pale herself, so she's looking out for all the pale girls out there. So that's it, guys. This is the final look with the Zodiac palette from Kathleenlights and Colourpop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved every single product. I am not disappointed at all. I did not use the Supernova shadows in this video, but I will be doing some other tutorials with the Supernova shadows. But you did get to see swatches of these two and all of the rest of the collection in this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like this video before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!